The birds are awfully loud, but how are you guys? I hope everyone is doing great. I hope you guys are staying safe. By this huge ass smile on my face, you guys can already tell that I'm in a very happy new space, and this change is definitely suiting me because there are a lot of good things happening. So first and the most important thing that has happened is that I got my Instagram back, which is honestly unbelievable because I thought कि मेरा Instagram जा चुका है, and I was completely mentally prepared to build everything from scratch again. I mean, I was really sad, I am not gonna lie, but मेरे से ज़्यादा my mom was really sad because she saw how much effort and love I put into that account. I could not really do anything about it. She got very sad, but when it got back, which was because of this guy who helped me out so much. 2 से 3 दिन continuously he was working on my account, and he is the reason that I got my account back. So huge shout out to him. And if you guys have any queries or if you guys are facing a similar problem, I would highly recommend that contact him directly and you guys can talk to him and stuff like that, because we all are like small very cozy community that likes to honk at each other apparently. But yeah, I am at my new house. The main reason that I'm so happy is that I'm a sucker. I am a direct sunlight lover, and especially because Delhi में अभी थोड़ा winter वाला season आने लग गया है, and Delhi winters are honestly my favorite. मेरा sentence formation भी थोड़ा जा चुका है because it has been like a very long time since I talked to you guys. We were so busy because me and Shubhankar, we both like doing everything on our own. So सब कुछ खुद करने के चक्कर में we just hardly delegate any stuff. But this video is going to be a huge thank you to my mom and my dad, especially my dad, because he has been physically present during this entire moving process. I personally don't think कि हम लोग 1 महीने के अंदर भी इतना move कर पाते अगर dad present नहीं होते, because he has been a huge help. A lot of the creative decisions that are made in this house are also due to his input. So I'm just very grateful. And so in this video I will take you guys along with me on a small journey, on a small shopping trip, and I'll take you guys along with me to different markets that are Banjara Market, Lajpat Nagar, Sikandarpur Market, and a couple of other markets that I spotted in Delhi for home decor. I had a lot of fun shopping for my new house, and I just hope that through this video you guys can find some inspiration for your house and you guys can spot some things that you like. And that is about it. Have fun. seen all the main markets, I would quickly like to add that I went to Lajpat Nagar with a lot of hope because I really love the entire vintage aesthetic, antique stuff that I saw in other videos. But when I went there, it was actually a little disappointing because the stuff was not that nice. It was very similar to what we find in Banjara market, but it was double triple the cost. So there's no way that I'm paying like 3 times the amount just for a stuff that is painted more aesthetically, you know. Like I found this chair in Banjara market like it's a normal dark brown wood chair, but I swear I spotted the same chair in Lajpat Nagar, but they quoted like 3 to 4 times the price only because it was painted green, like the aesthetic green जो आजकल बहुत trend कर रहा है. I think it's very important to keep an open mind and not be scared to bargain and to go back and forth, because एक ही जगह जाकर अगर हम purchase कर लेते हैं, that is just going to come back and bite you in your ass. So make sure that you do your research yourself. We went to Banjara market and Sikadarpur furniture market I think twice. Which was definitely worth it, because the second time that we went there we found a lot more stuff for a lot cheaper. So in case anyone is interested, if you guys want to go to Banjara market, make sure that you go there on weekdays and not weekends, because weekends पे थोड़े से prices notched up होते हैं and they are not willing to bargain that much. Plus it's a lot of people's livelihood, which is why I personally don't like to bargain much. So for me, according to this entire experience, Banjara market has to be my most favorite spot for furniture shopping and home decor. So my camera battery died. I probably should have already charged the batteries, but I always do that and somehow हमेशा फिल्म करने से पहले ही मेरा बैटरी खत्म हो जाता है. We can't do anything about it. So as I was saying, Banjara market is definitely my most favorite home decor shopping spot in and around Delhi. I hope you guys had fun, because I had a lot of fun filming this, and a lot of people have been asking me about a home tour. So if you guys still have not seen it, Shubhankar has already done one on his channel. I will link the video down below, and if you guys want me to do a detailed haul with prices and everything, I can do that too, so let me know. I had a lot of fun talking to you guys again, because I really missed you guys. I missed talking to you guys, and the sunlight is blinding me, but we have to do this for the vibe, you know. So yeah, if you had fun, make sure that you like, share, subscribe, do your thing, and I'll see you guys the next time, which will be very soon. I promise I won't take a break this long ever again, because I got bored out of my mind and I'm so out of breath right now. Yeah, I think I need to stop talking now. Bye.